What's going on, everybody? We have some insane crypto news to talk about in this video. It has to do with Bitcoin. It has to do with Ethereum. It has to do with institutional interest, but not only here in the United States. It has to do with something much, much bigger than that, as Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs are dominating the conversation. We know Bitcoin ETFs are out in the United States and in a lot of other places already, whereas the Ethereum ETF is kind of still slowly rolling out. It is available in some places. I know Canada was quick to adopt an Ethereum ETF after the Bitcoin ETF. There's obviously rumblings here in the United States about an Ethereum ETF. But I want to talk about another part of the world that when this all happens, guys, this is going to be insane for crypto. And this is the crypto news you need to hear, because when this all comes together, Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to explode. Crypto in general is going to explode. Why? Because we have never seen institutional money have the access to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you might say, well, Zach, they had this access all along. They didn't want anything to do with it. They only wanted access through their trusted brokers. There are a lot of people like that out there in the United States, out there in a lot of places, who only want exposure to Bitcoin if they can do it through their trusted broker. And the same thing can be said here, guys, for those looking at Ethereum. It's just the way it is. Now, I want to take you guys inside this because this is super, super exciting, okay? Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe down below. You're going to love what I've got for you here. Make sure you stick around to the end. We're going to dive into this a little bit deeper, and yeah, I want to waste no time here. So Hong Kong is getting ready to list Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs this month, guys. We've been talking about the rumors of this. Hong Kong is poised to introduce a series of crypto exchange-traded funds, taking a cue from the United States efforts. Hong Kong wants its tier 1 cities to progress and establish itself as a digital asset hub. Now, you would think here several leading asset managers in China are in the final stages of preparations to launch spot Bitcoin and ETFs. They are anticipated to start trading by the end of April. This is a huge, huge big deal. Because Bitcoin ETFs are out there, look what's happening. It's a domino effect around the world. All of these world powers, global leaders, they don't want to lose any ground. The fact that Bitcoin is becoming something that actually moves the needle, think about that. Our entire world is changing, guys. We are so freaking early to Bitcoin and to crypto. These developments are Hong Kong's ongoing efforts to position itself as a regulated center for VRs, part of its broader strategy to create its image as a modern financial hub. Now, the forthcoming ETFs expected to draw interest from various quarters, including Chinese investors with wealth invested in Hong Kong, as well as crypto exchanges and market participants active in the Asia-Pacific region. There are a ton of people here in this Asia-Pacific region. This is going to be massive, similar to the effect we had in the United States, guys. I'm telling you, this is going to be huge. Now, one thing they're doing is right out of the gate, they're going with Ethereum ETFs too. Ethereum hasn't even pumped yet. Now, it's worth noting that the U.S. has already witnessed success with Bitcoin, offered funds, obviously, BlackRock, Fidelity, crushing it. Hong Kong-based issuers such as Harvest Global and local unit of China Asset Management in partnership between Hashkey Capital look to use their brand recognition and benefit huge in this. Now, I want to come right back to this in just a second, but quick word from our sponsor today. Guys, you guys know how I feel about gaming. Welcome to Xverse, AI-powered first-person shooter incubated by Cetify, one of my favorite launch pads, almost 1 million followers on Twitter. They're unbelievable. Check out Cetify if you haven't already as well. And KC Labs, KuCoin Research incubating this project, powered by Immutable X and the Binance Smart Chain. Xverse, guys, one of the top games out there that I am looking to get into. Just quickly, links will be down below. There are 2 tokens in their ecosystem that you need to know about, EXVS and EXVG. You can go to their website, check out some of their huge partners, where they are in their process. You guys know how I feel about gaming. This could be a freaking gem. It's a free play-to-earn FPS shooter where players will take part in PvP, raids, and more. Xverse was designed from the ground up by a team with major experience in the gaming industry with a heavy focus on competitive mechanics. Get access to the alpha. Links down below to Xverse. So, to land this plane, Hong Kong listing Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Prices right now. Bitcoin at 66K, Ethereum at $3,200. We had huge news coming out from HBAR yesterday. How about what happened with the tokenization of real-world assets? Guess what? BlackRock is going to be working with Hedera with their fund and tokenizing it. Do you think it's going to stop here, guys? Absolutely not. This is going to get wild. It's going to get crazy. And I am so happy that we're here at the right freaking time to take advantage of it. So Hong Kong to list Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in April. We'll end with this, guys. The proposed ETFs in Hong Kong will be operating on an in-kind subscription and redemption mechanism, enabling the exchange of underlying assets for ETFs units, unlike the cash redemption model adopted by U.S. funds. This is even more bullish. Now, despite Hong Kong's regulatory landscape, the U.S. SEC recently permitted ETFs directly investing into Bitcoin. It remains cautious toward the crypto market, especially in light of market volatility. Conversely, Hong Kong has granted initial approval for both spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. So they're going to get a little bit of a leg up on the United States. Unless the U.S. decides to list this thing here in May, we'll see what happens and transpires. I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Shout out to Xverse. Check out their game, links down below. Of course, Margex right up there. Margex is where you can leverage trade. They just listed 5 new cryptos. They've got Gala Games on there now, Toncoin, all the way up to 25x leverage. Unbelievable platform, guys. Margex, if you're looking to leverage trade, come on over, sign on with me, get a piece of bonus cash when you sign up, and get 20% off your fees when you sign up with Margex today. Fund the account, make a couple leverage trades. Start slow, right? Start slow. Or if you're a veteran, Margex, there's no KYC and there's no VPN needed. Margex, links down below. Appreciate you guys for watching this one. Insane crypto news, baby. Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs coming to Hong Kong, coming to the Asia Pacific region. Massive, massive news for the crypto industry. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.